Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now, before we dive into today's video, I have to say this. The following video is brought to everyone thanks in large part to FiNESTONE. But as always, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here, and my opinions are not influenced in any way, shape, form, or fashion. With that being said, let's spin the cameras around and dive into today's video. Let's go. Alright everyone, so on the eve of reviewing one of my all-time favorite watch bands for the CMF Watch Pro 2, a company reached out to me and asked me if I would do videos on their watch band for the Apple Watch SE. Now, this particular watch band that we're getting ready to take a look at from FiNESTONE is actually available for all of the generations of the Apple Watch. So the Apple Watch Ultra, first and second generation, the Apple Watch 9 through generation 1 or 10 through generation 1, and the Apple Watch SE first and second generations. So this particular watch band that we're getting ready to take a look at will be compatible with all of the generations of current Apple Watch. Okay? That being said, let's unbox it. Let's go ahead and install it on the Apple Watch SE first generation, and let me get into sharing my overall first impressions of it. Let's go. Now, starting off with the unboxing, I have to say, FiNESTONE, you guys did a really good job here. Overall, I have to say this packaging and presentation is really, really nice. You just got some company branding up on the front here. A nice little pull tab to get the watch band out. And then we just have some barcode information on the back, and this is just telling you all the watches that this watch band is compatible with. Now it's kind of faded on the unit that they sent out, but we get the idea. Okay? Really nice, really clean, elegant packaging. I like it. Let's pull it out. And you can see you just pull it out just that easy. Nothing else in the box. Let's rest that off to the side. And here is the band. Alright, so good stuff there, and it's actually pinned into place, so I like that. So you got to kind of unpin it off the rails. Really nice classical presentation there. That's pretty cool. So let me unpin this and we'll be right back. I'll see y'all in a second. So just in case you guys and gals didn't catch it, it's pinned in place with these nice little elastic bands here. Now you can unclip it from the back, or you can just stretch out the elastic and slowly unclip it. That's what I decided to do. And then you can easily slide out the watch band here. Okay? I just wanted to show y'all that in case I went through it kind of fast. There it is. Let me put this box off to the side real quickly. Alright. And let's get into the first impressions of the band. Now, I gotta say, I really am liking this band. It is very similar to the band that we just took a look at for the CMF Watch Pro 2. So basically, the only difference here is this band for the CMF Watch Pro 2 was using a very heavy nylon material with Velcro. The FiNESTONE band for the Apple Watch SE first generation is using a combination of nylon and genuine leather, as well as Velcro. So I think that's really, really nice. And you can see this particular unit here is the black colorway. Now this particular watch band does come in 3 different colors. Okay. Now it comes in, let me make sure I get the colors right. It comes in a black with orange highlights, as you saw. Okay, so there's your orange highlight, but it also comes in a dark green or army green and an orange. Okay, I'll have a screen grab thrown up in post so y'all can see the colors and available pricing for yourself. But all in all, I do like the 3 available colors, and I gotta say, I am liking this all black colorway with the nice little orange touch, and the leather actually feels very, very nice. Let me check something here. So if we open this up, it is Velcro on that side. Very, very nice. Okay, and it should just easily unvelcro like this, so it should be fully adjustable. Again, similar to the one that we just got done taking a look at. Okay, so really, really nice. And the best part is the part that makes contact with our wrist seems like it's going to be more the breathable nylon material, so I like that as well. Really, really good stuff there. Okay, now let's go over a real quick installation, and then I'm going to put the band on and we're going to go over my first impressions. Let's do this. Now, I already removed my previous band just to make it easy, but essentially all we have to do is line up the band area here, making sure that this metal part goes to the inside, and then we want the black part to be on the outside. Okay, so basically with the Apple Watch, it's really easy. You just push the button, slide it out, and then you can line up the other band that you want to put on and drop it in. Now, it should slide right in. If it doesn't, that means you have to spin it around and go from the other way, and then it clicks into place just like that. And then we do the same thing on the other side. So again, you want to make sure that the metal part is going inside, and we're going to turn it over and slide it down. Okay, so that one, yeah, there we go. Turn it over, and we're going to just slide it down. And again, if you do it properly, it should just slot into place. See, I'm actually forcing this, so that's how I know it's not right. So I gotta bring it out, and we're gonna do it the other way. Okay, because it should just easily slot into place. Okay, you shouldn't really have to fight with it. So the other one was down, so this one should be up. So I should actually put it in from this way, and then there we go. It slots into place. Okay, so I kind of messed that up. So this way was down, so I flipped it over, so the other way should have been up, and that's pretty much it. And now the FiNESTONE nylon genuine leather band is installed on our Apple Watch, and I have to say, I really, really like this look. Now, give me a couple seconds. Let me get a nice comfortable fit, and I'm going to come back with everyone, and we're going to go over my first impressions of the watch band on the Apple Watch SE first generation. Alright, give me a second. I'll be right back. Okay, guys and gals, and now we are back. Let's get into the first impressions of the FiNESTONE band. Now, first impressions, this is really, really comfortable on my wrist, and I gotta say, it was super easy to find a nice comfortable fit. This looks really, really good, and it feels really, really good on my wrist as well. And I gotta say, I like this overall look. This looks very utilitarian and functionalist-esque, which is what I am. So I really, really do like this overall look. Okay, and again, like I said, similar to the CMF Watch Pro 2 band, it is fully adjustable. You just have to line it up, put it through the loop, and then you can stop it at any Velcro point you would like. So you're guaranteed to get that nice comfortable fit, and then it just wraps around your wrist. And this nice little pull tab makes it easy when you want to take it off. So I really, really like that. So first impressions, FiNESTONE, you guys did a really, really good job on this one. And I gotta tell y'all, talking about the pricing, this band is actually available for a really good price when we talk about bands for the Apple Watch. Now, this particular band is available regardless of whatever color you decide to go with for $22.99. So basically $23. All right. So guys and gals, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to rock out with this watch band on my Apple Watch SE first generation for about a week, and then I'm going to come back in my full review video and let you guys and gals know if this watch band is worth picking up for your Apple Watch. Okay? With that being said, today's video was recorded using the front and rear facing cameras on the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. Today's video was recorded in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up, but I am using my professional studio lights here today. So as always, please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you guys and gals think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. With that being said, if you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up this particular watch band for any of your Apple Watch generation series, all the affiliate buy links for this watch band will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, if you guys and gals decide to make your purchase using those affiliate links down below, I do get a small percentage of commission that I do put back into the channel, and that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So I consider those affiliate buy links located down below in the video description a win-win for everyone. And with that being said, if you guys and gals would like to see any more of my favorite watch bands for the Apple Watch SE first generation, I'll link up videos on my favorite watch bands for the Apple Watch down below in the video description as well. And with that being said, let's get into reviewing this watch band so I can let you guys and gals know if it's worth picking up. Like I said, I'll see you guys and gals in a week for the next one. Have a good one, everybody. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. We are out of here. Peace. Alright, I really am liking this. I really am liking this a lot. Now, I'm not going to do what traditional tech reviewers do and rock out with two bands on at the same time. We're not going to put two bands on my left wrist or put a band on my right wrist and my left wrist. No, I'm just going to put my CMF Watch Pro down for a week, and we're going to review this band here, and then I'm going to come back and put the CMF Watch Pro back on, and we're going to continue the review process for this one. Now, spoiler alert, the battery life on this has been phenomenal, and it continues to be phenomenal. And I gotta tell y'all, it pales, okay? The battery life on the Apple Watch SE first generation or second generation or any Apple Watch series pales in comparison to the battery life on the CMF Watch Pro or the CMF Watch Pro 2. So Apple, you guys definitely got some work to do in terms of improving the overall battery life. But with that being said, that's a topic for another video. I'll catch you guys and gals in the next one. Have a good one. We are out of here. Peace.